Hi, hello. Good wishes to everyone. Students, I pleasure to see you again. See, in this session, we are going to see about kinds of noun. What? Kinds of noun. Yes, before knowing that, we should know what is noun. Yes, what is noun? See, already you knew that. I taught you that it is the very basic one of grammar, right? So, noun. First, what is noun? So, noun is nothing but name of your person, place, thing, animal, or a quality, right? So that is the noun. So name of the person, place, or a thing, or animal, or quality, right? So that is a noun. Yes, let me say one example for noun, because we should be aware of noun first. After that only we can able to understand this, right? So let me say one example. Shweta is singing a song, right? So Shweta is singing a song, right? See, listen students. Shweta is singing a song, right? See here, Shweta. See, it comes into which noun? Yes. So it refers to what? That specific girl's name. Yes, it is a name actually, but the specific girl's name, right? See, so this is proper noun, right? See, specifically we are mentioning the concerned person's name, right? So that is named as what? That is proper noun. Yes, commonly. See, she is singing a song. See, they have given only this song. Yes, generally we have, generally we are saying that singing a song. So song alone, it comes into what? That is a common noun, right? So what song? Which song? They didn't mention that. So just simply they have said, Shweta is singing a song. Says what song? Which song? Devotional, whether it is a devotional or school song or any emotional song, sentimental song. No, they didn't mention anything, right? So singing a song, right? So the people also that is comes in the common noun. So they didn't say the specific song, right? So specifically we are mentioning means that will consider what? Proper noun. Yes. See here we are saying commonly she is singing a song. So it will consider what? Common noun. See, this is the example of noun. Yes. See, let us see the kinds of noun. See, basically you are having that 6 kinds. See, few more kinds are there, but you, that is, yeah, for your standard, you having that 6 kinds, right? See, what are they? Abstract noun, common noun, concrete noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, proper noun. See, for easy for remembering, I have formed one formula. See here, ACQUP. See, this is my formation. Just for easily remembering, I have formed this, right? So you can keep it in your mind. ACQUP, right? ACQUP. This is a formula formed by me, right? See here. A for what? Abstract noun. Yes. C cube. So C. 3 C's are there. C common noun, concrete noun, countable noun. And U for uncountable. P for proper. So we are having in our hand that is 6 kinds, right? 6 kinds of noun. Yes. See, let us see one by one. See, listen, abstract noun. First one is abstract noun. See, abstract. See, we can able to feel it. See, whatever it is, we can able to feel it, but cannot be touch it or see it. Cannot be touch it or see it. So we can able to feel it. So it is a kind of feeling. Yes. See, for example, anger. See, anger, happiness, joyness, that is sadness. Yes. Then emotion, sentiments, love and care, affection, everything. These things will consider what? Abstract now, because we can able to feel it. These are all the feelings. Yes, feelings included that. See, listen. So anger is one kind of feeling. Irritation, upset. So these things will consider what? That is abstract now, because we can able to feel it in this. We can't able to touch it and see it. So these feelings and all, we can able to see it or touch it? No, we cannot. So this is one type of feeling. So we can only able to feel it. We can't able to touch it and see it. Right. So that is the abstract noun. So abstract noun, we can able to feel it. So keep remembering that. So we can able to feel it. We cannot able to touch it or see it. Right. Next one is common noun. See, while hearing this word itself, we can able to understand common. So commonly. See, I have already told you in this example. So common. See, what are all we are that is calling in a common. See, school. Let us take our example as school. See, generally we are saying school. That is a common noun. And what school? Which school? Yes, Charada Matriculation Higher Secondary School. So we are mentioning the school's name, the concerned school's name. So that will comes under what? That is proper noun. Yes, we are saying generally, commonly school. I am studying in school. Yes, so that is what? Common, right? See for example, lady. See, lady is refers to what? Female. That's we know that. So while hearing this word, we can able to know that lady refers to female. She is a woman. So her name is there, no? Yes, that specific name means it will comes in the proper. Generally, we are saying lady, women. Yes, these things will comes in the common. So commonly we are calling. Yes, girl. Yes, boy. Right? So these things will comes in the common because the girl's name they didn't mention. Yes, they are generally saying girl, boy, school, lady, women. Yes, man. Yes, so these things will comes in the common noun. So we are commonly calling them, right? See, name of a person, place, or a thing, or any quality. So it will be in general. So it will be in common. So commonly what we are naming, so that will comes in the common noun, right? So next one is concrete. See, this is the opponent team of abstract noun. Concrete, that is concrete noun is the opponent team of abstract noun. Because abstract noun we can able to let us feel it, right? So while coming to the concrete noun, we cannot able to feel it, right? But we can able to touch it. So this is that is totally opponent of that is abstract noun, right? This is opposite of abstract noun because here we can able to feel it and cannot, that is can be touched, right? So cannot be feel it, can be touched. See for example, pencil. So pencil, see it is not a, that is a living thing, right? So pencil is a thing, simply it is a thing. So we can able to see it, touch it, but we cannot able to feel it. Yes, because it don't have any senses, right? So that pencil, it's a pencil, books, pen, yes, table, bench, whatever it is. So it is a non-living thing, right? So it will comes under what? Concrete. So we cannot able to feel it. Yes. Next, while talking about the countable. See, while hearing this word itself, you can able to understand that count able. Count able. So we can able to count it. So whatever it is, we can able to count it. So that is named as countable. Yes, countable now. See, can able to count it. See example, coins, books, pens, yes, chalkpens, yes, benches, tables, students, yes, people. So whatever it is, we can able to count it. Yes, then uncountable. See, opponent team of countable. Yes, like as a concrete, right? So opponent team of abstract is concrete, and opponent team of countable is uncountable is opponent team of countable. So this is we can't able to count it. Yes, here we can able to count it, but uncountable we cannot able to count it. So see here, water. See it is a liquid one. See we can able to count it. We can able to that is value the quantity, how much it is, 1 liter, half liter. So we can able to value that is evaluate the quantity, right? So we can able to evaluate only the quantity, but we cannot able to count it, right? So water, oil, yes, then hair, yes, sand, yes, then stars. So these are all the uncountable one. So we cannot able to count it, right? So then last one, that is proper noun. Yes, I already told you in this sentence. Proper noun means that is specific name. Specific, the concerned person's name, place name, thing name. Yes, that quality, mentioning a quality name. Right? So example, see here, Reena. See, already I have mentioned here, Sweta. So the person's name, yes, whether it may be a male or female, yes, animal or bird, place name, anything, we should mention the concerned thing's name, right? Concerned person's name, particular person's name, right? So Reena, Raju, Ramu, yes, then Sita, Sweta, yes, whatever it is. Then Chennai, we are mentioning the place name. We are not saying the district or country or India, whatever it is. We are mentioning the what the place name, Chennai, right? Madurai, Mumbai, so whatever it is. Yes, so we are mentioning what is specific, the mentioning a name, right? These are all the kinds of noun. Yes, already I taught you that. So I hope you all understood. Listen, see. So just you intake these things, go through it, recall it. Yes, thank you, students.